All right, so I got a really awesome Dovoh laser level, and I have the receiver for it as well. I did share this a couple of months ago, and I shared an older model a couple of years ago, and these are really awesome. So we're finally getting some stuff happening on the property, and the contractor, he was using one of these to do all the leveling. So I figured, you know what, I could actually show a demo of this stuff. Now inside the box, you're going to get your main leveling unit here. It is pretty bulky, it's a good size. It's also very durable. I did drop test. You can see mud or dirt and stuff all over it. It has been thrown around a little bit. It will handle construction and stuff outdoors. You also have a remote that you can use, so you can do the horizontal and the vertical beams or lines. You got different types of mounts. You got a charger here, you got an extra spare battery. You got a charger, you got your actual charger, that's just a brick. And there's just, you could also hang them on the walls. You do have some safety glasses here, and you do have a charge cable. Now, as for the receiver unit, this one does take a couple AA's, which will go in right here. And it also has a pretty good battery life. I haven't changed them yet. There is a mount to go on here. I couldn't find it, but you can use the mount, and you can mount this to like a leveling stick, a ruler, a yardstick, whatever you want. There's also a couple magnets on here, so if you have metal, you can actually stick this right to the metal. And this one does have a little level on it as well. And you'll be able to use this one to go up to, I don't remember, it's 300 or 400 feet distance to get a level. Now you can take your laser level, it is threaded where you can actually put it on a tripod, or you can actually get like a monopod for it, or you can just lay it directly on something. Now I'm just gonna lay it on the board since I'm just gonna do a leveling of pretty much the sides of the foundation. Also, the power on and off, the button is right here. You also have the H and the V for horizontal and vertical here, where you don't need that remote. Also, to loosen or to unlock the levels, you're just going to turn that, and that's also going to turn it on as well. And you will be able to see a green line. I'm not sure if the camera will pick it up. The receiver will see it no matter how bright the sun is. So then we could always take this, which it stopped beeping, it is leveled. Then we can take this receiver here. What's pretty cool is that all we gotta do is line up to that level. So right there, it's showing that we are leveled, and it's gonna beep. Pull it away, we're not leveled. If you have this like on a yardstick or whatever, it will be easier to hold it up at different levels. Now let's say we want to check the level over there. I should be able to leave that in the same spot. And since it's a 360 laser, we should be able to work over there too. That's 72 feet at the end of this one. But I should be able to stop along the way and see that we're leveled. And from 72 feet away, there's no way that I can see the laser line. It's too bright and everything out here. But if we use this, we got leveling. Now we could use this for other possibilities too. Let's say you want to build a retaining wall. You got a slope like this, which I will be getting some retaining walls. I just don't have the funds for it just at the moment. We could go ahead and we can put this here. Now normally I'd put this on a tripod for this, but we'll put this up here. And then what we could do, so let's say we wanted to build a retaining wall right here, and we wanted this whole layer, like a terrace layer, or whatever you want to call it, and we want it to be even and flat with up there. So we could take this, and this is going to let me know that I need to build it up all the way here in order to be leveled with where that laser is. So yeah, I would need a lot of work. But whether you're building stuff, you're doing foundations, you're doing retaining walls, you're hanging stuff, whatever it could be, this comes in handy with a lot of things. And more I am finding uses to use it around the property. But if you're looking for a laser level, it works awesome. It's from a company that's been around for a long time. The pros use this stuff. And it's also very durable. There's not very many tools that I would repeatedly drop or throw for demonstrations for videos. And it's fell on its own a few times too and rolled down the hill. Anyway, if you're looking for a laser level, Dovoh is definitely an awesome one.